Hello everyone, welcome to GV Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go and subscribe to the channel. Right, enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, we are continuing on 30 days Java programming challenge. This is the day 24. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please go and resolve those also. Right, then day 24, coming to current day 24. What is the Java programming challenge? Check if two given strings are anagrams. Check if two strings are anagrams. Anagram means what? Suppose I have a listen and then silent. Right. If both the words are same. Right. Here L is there, here L is there. I is there, I is there. Right. E is there, N is there, T is there. If same first string same characters are available in second, then that is called an anagram. If anything is not there, we will not call it as a anagram. Right. Suppose if we take one more race, care, these two also anagrams. Right. It can also have a duplicates also. Suppose first string has A, B, B. Second string has A, B, AB, AB. Right. This is also a anagram. Right. Both strings have same number of characters. Right. A is 2 times is there, B is 2 times. Right. It is called a anagram. If anything is not matching, that is not anagram. What are the approaches to solve this? Right. Easy way is we can do erase dot. Easy way is we can take erase dot sort. Erase dot sort, we can sort erase dot s1 and then erase dot s2. Then what we can do, simple way, erase dot equal, erase dot equal. We can erase dot equal s1 comma s2. Right, if both are equal, it will return true, otherwise false. Then easily we can find out anagram. But in interview they may ask sometimes, right, here we have to pass erase dot sort of 2 char array. Right, directly we cannot start a string. 2 char array. We have to convert the string into 2 char array. We have to convert 2 char array. Right, first we have to get the 2 character arrays. Right, then we can pass those 2 character arrays. Right, then we have to compare equal also here arrays only. Right, array 1, array 2. We have to pass array 1 and array 2. Right, we have to pass the arrays only. Right, like this simple way we can do it. But in interview they might ask, sometimes they will accept, sometimes they will ask, is there any other approach without using this predefined methods. There is one more approach. We can do it. Right. There are hash key values. Right. A will have some hash key value, B will have some hash key value. Right. How many? There are 256 hash key codes will be there. Now what we can do, suppose I will take a integer array of count new, integer array of 256. 256 size, because ASCII codes are 256. In string which letter will come we don't know, though that's why we can create integer array 256 characters. What we can do here is, first we can create the integer array of 256 characters, then we can go one by one character. Int I equal to 0 to I less than right, string dot s1 dot length, then I plus plus. Now what we can do, right? What is the array name? Count of right. We can take the store count of s1 dot caret of s1 dot caret of I. That means what? Suppose s1 dot caret of I, that means a, it will come ASCII code. Right, suppose ASCII code 96, I think small a is maybe some ASCII code 96 or will come. Right, by default, default value, what it will store in integer, all are zeros by default, right? Integer default value is 0. So all are zeros only. Now what we are doing here, count of 0, right? S1 dot caret of I, right? We will store it something 96. Suppose A is ASCII code 96. We are getting count of 0, right? We are incrementing by 1. We are incrementing by plus plus. Just plus plus means 0 will increment by 1. Right? It will store as 1 in the ASCII code. Right? Now again what we will do? S2. We have S2 string. Right? Then count of, again what we will do? Count of S2 dot caret of I, right? Caret of I minus. That means first we will increment it, then again we will decrement S2 caret. That means all first string we will increment by 1. If all same characters are there, suppose if same characters are there in the second string, what it will do? It will decrement again, it will become 0. Right, again it will become 0. Now after once this loop is completed, right, it should not be any 1. Right, count will, right, we can use the for each loop. We can verify each count of all 256 characters are, all 250 characters should be 0. Right, all 256 characters should be 0, c greater than 0. Otherwise, right, these two are not anagrams. Right, we are use of integer, right, array by taking integer array of 256 because 256 ASCII codes are there. Right, we are taking that much length, and we are making initially count of right that array. Each character I am taking, right, we will get ASCII code 0. Right, 96 means A means 96 plus plus. It will store 1. Right, again we are decrementing it. Right, once this loop is completed, again it will become 0. Then we have to verify all the integer array. Right, in the array all the 256 digits should be 0 only. If anything not 0, that is not anagram. Right, we can write use of this, we can write like this. Then quickly we will jump into, right, we will write. Okay, fine. Right, day 24. Right click, Java class. Right, day 24 challenge. Then public static coadmin. We will take off 2 strings. Okay. String s1 equal to, right, what is the example we have taken? Same example, listen silent. Right, listen string 2 also listen, right, what is that? Silent. Right, these 2 strings have same characters or not, we have to verify. Right, we have to verify. First condition is if both are, right, first condition is if both are not equal, if if both are not equal. Suppose if both are not equal, return at what I will do, I will create a one more method so that we will know how to create a reusable methods. Right, private static boolean, I will return true or false. Is anagram. String s1 and s2 I will take. Now first condition is both should be same length. If both are not same length, then here itself we can return false. Then we have to take the integer array of count 256 count. We have 256 ASCII codes, so we will iterate one by one. We will iterate one by one. Then we have to store count of get s1 dot caret of I plus plus. We will increment one by we will take the ASCII code of first character and increment by 1. Again what we have to do, count of s2 dot s2 we have to take from s2 and decrement it. Increment and decrement, it should become 0. Once this loop is completed, all again it should become integer array should become zeros. Now again we have to validate for in we can use we can take for each int I equal to count. If I equal to not equal to 0, return false. If I not equal to 0, return false. Otherwise here we have to return true. If everything is matched, return the true. What happened? Unexpected. Okay. Just return the true. Okay. Now just call this method. We have to call this method, if is anagram, then system.out.println, I will print as a anagram, just a simple anagram. Else not anagram. That's it. Now run it. Now try to run it. It's running. See, we got some issue. It returned false. Not anagram. Some mistake we have done. See, in the first case we have to check the length, not equal condition. Length size we have to calculate. S1 dot length, suppose S1 dot length not equal to S2 dot length. If both strings length is not equal, then we have to return false. Not equal condition, we have to verify length condition. Length condition. Fine. Now run it. It will work fine. See, anagram. It is working fine. Now I will give some other. In lesson, just I will give here W, here I will give Z. Size will be same, but it will have a different characters. Now we should get not anagram. It is working fine. Whoever participated and completed the code, please paste your code in the comment section. Whoever did not get a chance, please, whenever you will get some time, please participate and do the program and copy in the comment section. Thanks for everyone.